In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make documents in WPS Office. Whether you're new to WPS Office or just looking to brush up on your skills, this tutorial will guide you through creating professional-looking documents quickly and efficiently. WPS Writer offers a variety of tools to make your work look polished, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to create your own documents with ease. To start, open the WPS Office desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, go ahead and click on Docs. Then, select +blank to open a fresh page where you can begin typing immediately. You'll notice a toolbar at the top of the screen, packed with features to help you format and enhance your text. From this toolbar, you can adjust font styles, sizes, and colors, or insert images, tables, and charts to make your content visually appealing. For example, if you want your headings to stand out, simply highlight the text and choose a style like Heading 1 or Heading 2 from the toolbar. This not only makes your document more readable, but also gives it a professional and organized look. Next, it's important to know how to save your document so you don't lose any work. Click on File in the top left corner, then select Save As. You can choose a location on your PC where you want to store your file, give it a name, and select the file format. WPS Office supports saving as DocX, PDF, and even older Word formats, which is helpful if you need to share your document with someone using a different program. Another convenient feature is templates. If you don't want to start from scratch, click on New and then Templates. Here, you'll find pre-designed layouts for resumes, reports, letters, and more. Select a template that fits your needs, replace the sample text with your own content, and you have a ready-made document in just a few minutes. Finally, make sure to explore other tools such as spell check, word count, and additional formatting options. These features help ensure your document is polished and professional. WPS Writer is designed to be user-friendly, so with a little practice, creating high-quality documents will become second nature. That's it for today's guide on making documents in WPS Office on your PC. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.